Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the basics, the fundamentals of updating the MoneyGram holiday blog. First thing is Christine is going to be pointing the URL, so that's really important. You may see it on the front end. I mean on the actual website, a different string, whether that's MoneyGram.com blog or whatever the case may be. But we're hosting it, so the actual URL to log in is going to be different than what you're seeing on the front end. So you're going to want to go to this address right here to log into the back end. showmysite.info/MoneyGram/WP-admin. Once you get here, let's go ahead and log in. I sent you an email that has login information, so go ahead and use that. Okay, first thing I want to point out is when you first log in, you're going to get all this stuff. Maybe you want it, maybe you don't. Personally, I like to have a clean setup. So to remove some of these things, what I'll do is I'll click the screen options button and just uncheck what I don't want or check what I do want. I like it easy. Obviously, this is up to you. Go ahead and close that up. Now, since we're just now logging in and checking everything out, on the main left toolbar, this is our dashboard, this is our main, setup, our main features that we can all access different areas of the website with. First thing I want to kind of show you is that every section expands and contracts, so there's always going to be subsections. All right. Let's go ahead and check out users because I've given you a default password of 123456. You probably should change that. So to do so, let's click under users, all users, and we have the admin. Oh, and while we're here, before I forget, never delete this. Never delete this. If you need to change password or change the email from my credentials, that's fine. But never delete this because you will ruin this. It'll basically break the site. So you can make a change like to the password or the email, fine. That's okay, but don't delete it. Okay, so here you are. We'll click to edit. And here's your information. So if you feel like you need to add in first name and that kind of a thing, you can go ahead and do that. That's not a problem. But the thing we want to look at is the password. And if we come all the way down to new password, just enter in your password that you need to do. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Once you're set with that, go ahead and click update. Okay, let's go ahead and get back out of here, back to the dashboard. Now if we look at the site, it's pretty basic. We have pages and we have posts. These are obviously the blog posts, each individual article, and then we have pages. We'll see right now, the time of this video, we just have some dummy menu items in here. So obviously the about page is just that page, and then if we're on the home page, we have the actual blog posting. All right. Now in the back end, it's the same thing. We have posts and we have pages. Okay. So if we come to posts, we click all posts, we'll see everything that's been posted so far. Obviously these are dummy posts, just to get you started to kind of see how it works. We have a total of 5. If we come to the front end, 1, 2, 3, and if we paginate, if we go to the next page, 4 and 5. Okay. All right, and since we have 3 posts on this page, or per page, maybe you don't want 3, maybe you want 1, maybe you want 25. We can easily change that. So if we come under settings, we'll see reading. Click that, and right here we'll have a section that says blog posts. Blog page shows at most how many posts. We have 3. So if I actually set this for 4, save it, update, we'll now have 1, 2, 3, and 4, with the 5th one all by its lonesome self on the page. Okay, so that's obviously up to you guys and how many you want to add per section. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for this particular introduction video. Usually I keep it around 5 minutes a clip, not to overwhelm you. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple more. It's not a whole lot, like I said, going on this site. It's really simple and easy to do. And I'm going to do a couple more videos that are going to cover your banner, your pages, and your actual posts.